Imagine sitting at the beach anywhere in the world, making tons of money just by using internet. Man, that's what I would call a perfect life. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dayan and here I will be sharing all the relevant information about day trading. This is the first video that I've created in series named Ultimate Beginner's Guide, in which I will be showing you how to start day trading in 2022 the correct way. So let's start with what is day trading. Day trading is a form of active trading where you buy and sell financial instruments in the same day and try to profit off of the sudden market movements and market volatility. Day trading is considered to be the riskiest form of trading, so it's definitely not suited for everyone. However, don't worry, this channel is created with a purpose to help you gain an edge in the financial market and become a profitable trader. So, how to start day trading in 2022? The process itself is very simple. You find and select a broker, open an account with them, fund the account, and that's it, you're good to go. But in order to find what you should be doing exactly in the financial markets, you need to make use of free resources on the internet, like this channel, and start educating yourself. There are many useful websites, YouTube channels, and posts on the internet that will help you with your trading journey, so make sure to use them. How to choose a broker? Well, that will depend on where you live. People from the US, Canada will probably choose a bit different brokers than people from the Europe or Middle East or Asia. However, for your reference, you want to start with the most trusted names. For example, for stocks, futures, options, etc., you will want to choose Interactive Brokers, TD Ameritrade, Saxo Bank, eToro, Robinhood, IG.com, etc. However, for crypto, you would want to start with the Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, FTX, Bybit, etc. I know that experienced traders will make some faces upon mentioning some of the names. I'm looking at you, Robinhood. However, it is very important to mention them since they are very beginner friendly and easy to use. What are the instruments that you can trade? So, once you chose your broker, then it's time to select the financial instrument that you are willing to trade. Most of the younger generation and nowadays people choose cryptocurrencies because they are something new. Well, basically not very new, but you get my point, new to a lot of people. While other more experienced people who've been in the markets for longer periods of time, they usually choose stocks, options, futures, indexes, etc. I'll be covering my personal methods and the products that I trade in the videos to come, so stay tuned for that. If you like the video so far, please make sure to click like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever a new video comes out. Alright, let's get back to the video. So, what are the pros and cons of day trading? The biggest pro of day trading, or a good side, is that it is relatively easy to start day trading. What do I mean by that? Well, the entry barrier is very low, which means that you can just fund your account with like $100 or $200 and start trading. I mean, that's pretty, decent and fair. Some brokers, I believe, even give you to fund your account with less to start, and that's it, you're good to go, you're all set, which is pretty easy and obtainable even if you're a student, even if you don't work anywhere. I mean, finding a $50 to start is quite easy. Of course, the hard part comes when you try to multiply those $50. In day trading, you are your own boss and you determine your own working hours, which is awesome, of course. And that gives you enough time to organize your work around your life and not the other way around, which I find amazing. There's a huge potential for exponential returns in comparison to traditional way of investing, but to be 100% honest with you, the downside is pretty brutal. The statistics say that around 90 to 95% of day traders lose money, so the chances of you being a successful and constantly profitable traders are quite small. And the final topic that we'll be covering for today is how to be successful in day trading. Let's start with paper trading. I know a lot of traders don't want to hear this, but paper trading is a very important part of your trading journey. Paper trading will help you constantly improve your strategies, backtest, and see what actually works in current market conditions and what does not work. Paper trading basically means that you get fake money from your broker that you can use to place live trades. The positive side of it is that you get to test and perfect your strategy without losing any of your hard-earned money. However, the negative side is that it takes away the biggest challenge in investing and trading, and that is emotion. However, I would trade that any time of the day. Why? Well, for simple reason, because the paper trading is not made for you to test your emotional control. It is meant for you to test your strategies. And that's what you should be doing, testing your strategies. I recommend any new day trader to stick with paper trading as long as they need to, until they feel comfortable and confident in their strategy and see that that strategy is actually working, and only then progress into real money trading. Because anyways, you will be losing money, and that's just a fact. So why not lose fake money at the beginning until you see and at least have some clue on what you will be doing and implementing in the real markets. The losing money part is inevitable, however, it is totally up to you on what will be the amount. And this is what a lot of people don't get at the beginning. They are risking too much because they do not have any kind of risk and money management. So they just go randomly into trades without any explanation, without any background, because they did not spend enough time paper trading and they did not perfect their strategy. And they go there and literally gamble. But they learn the hard way and they pay the price, which is what we call a market tuition. You need to educate yourself and you need to have an iron discipline. You need to have consistency. You need to use proper risk and money management. You need to be always open-minded to testing new things, constantly learn and improve, and to be very good at losing and adapting to change. You will also need to master technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and know how to read the current market sentiment. If you do not understand some of these terms, don't worry, we will be covering them in the videos to come, or you can just feel free to use Google. Google.com. Another important tool that you will be using are trading statistics. They will help you log your trades and analyze what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. Trading statistics are crucial and they will improve your trading tremendously. Some people use different online templates that are either paid or free. However, I am more inclined for a old school Excel file that you create yourself and type in all the relevant data. And I will be teaching you on how to create those and how to analyze it and what you should be doing in order to get the most benefits of your trading statistics. Now, let's talk about mindset a bit. The biggest challenge have the people who come from already successful business background and they have the winner mindset and they did not learn how to be good losers in their previous environments, and they come to financial markets thinking that they will crush it, and they do not realize that the market will wipe the floor off of you many times before you manage to get up. Those people usually come with overconfidence and must not lose mentality, where they think that every trade is going to be a winning trade, and they will soon learn that it's not that way and they get humbled by the market. So it is incredibly important to come with right expectations and correct mindset. When people come to financial markets and hope to make quick gains, did somebody say GME? They usually end up wiping their account in the blink of an eye. People who come unprepared to financial markets and usually don't have the willingness to learn, I usually advise them, just go to a casino. And you know, it's way more fun. You have the girls around you, you have the music, you're enjoying, chilling, you know, and actually you can make some money. But on the contrary, while you're sitting alone in front of your PC, trading for hours and hours and just throw away your hard-earned money, that is definitely not fun. Once you overcome that gambling addiction and you overcome your ego, start adapting to the market conditions, learn how to follow the big money, because yes, that's what we are doing. We're following the big money. We're just a drop in the ocean. We're not moving the markets. I mean, retail is not moving the markets at all. This is a big misconception that people think that retail has any kind of effect in the market moving. No, we have barely no effect. What our goal is to follow the big money, follow the people with the big money, the big institutions, and make some profits along the way. And that is how you become successful. With proper risk and money management, That is how you succeed in the financial markets. If you learn how to adapt to the market, if you learn how to read market conditions, market sentiment, all the things that I've told you, and not take this business for granted, because yes, this is a serious business, and this is what most people don't realize, and that is why they fail. They don't take this seriously enough. They take it just as something that you throw your money on and then just money comes back at you 10 times, right? Well, that's not how it works. I mean, you can get lucky with, stuff like Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, or whatever. I'm not saying those are bad, by the way. You can profit off of everything, and this is what we do. We tend to profit off of anything, any instrument. But what I'm trying to make point with is that people are throwing away their money, not knowing why they're doing it, in hopes that it will come back in much greater amounts. No, usually that is not how it works. Alright guys, that will be all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It is a first of many. As I said, I will be creating the whole guide for beginners on how to start day trading in 2022 the proper way. And stay tuned, because I'll be also going deeper into more advanced techniques, strategies, and sharing market sentiment analysis in the videos to come. Thanks for watching and enjoy. Peace!